Hello everyone, take a look at this chart. This is the intelligence chart of large language models, and you can see where GPT-5 is positioned. As you can see here, the minimal base model of GPT-5 is around the GPT-4.1 level. However, when using the thinking model, the intelligence level increases significantly. This shows that the difference in intelligence and quality is much higher when GPT-5 is allowed to think. In this video, we'll show you how to manually trigger and use the thinking model of GPT-5, since ChatGPT usually doesn't think by default. So let's get started. First method, search for Microsoft Copilot. Go to the official site. Select Smart as the model. This uses GPT-5 thinking in the backend. Enter your prompt. Boom, it's thinking and working as intended. For the same prompt, ChatGPT-3 often doesn't think at all and may give incorrect or lower quality responses. Second method, go to ChatGPT. Enter your prompt. Add Think Hard. This manually triggers the thinking mode. You'll notice the response quality improves significantly. That's all. Make sure to use the thinking model in order to get better responses. Thanks for watching.